Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. Today is Fall Celebration collaboration. At the end of this video, in a pinned comment and in the description, there will be links to many other YouTubers that are doing a fall manicure. I'd appreciate if you watch that playlist and give them a little thumbs up for their work and comment on their work as well. I'm not even sure who's all involved in it yet, but let me just get on with my manicure and I'll talk a bit more about it at the end. I'm also recreating a similar mani that I did on Instagram that many of you saw on NAQ57. You'll have to excuse me today if anything looks blurry, the lights are wrong, whatever. I'm in a new location, so bear with me for a couple of videos until I get this straight. I'm also trying a new peel-off base coat that you saw Monday, so I'm attempting to try that out. They kindly sent it, so I figured I'll give it a try. I'm going to kind of recreate the nails and do a little extra. First, what I did was, paint your nails. This is with gel color, the Modelones numbers. This name is 60 degrees Fahrenheit. You can see that in my swatching video. So I've painted 2 layers of that, cured it. Then I'm going to get out SheModern Gold or Pearlescent. Just in case, I'll put a mixing canvas down. Like I said, I'm in a totally new area, so everything's backwards to me. Usually my goodies are over here, they're now over there, so bear with me. What I did was tapped out a little bit. I'm always acting like I'm right-handed or left-handed. I don't know what the deal is. So just to add a little bit more zing to these nails, what I did was just a little bit of gold. I did a lot less in the manicure. You can do a little. This is into the techie layer of the gel. I did a lot just to show you can do a lot, you can do a little, you can do whatever you want. Any tacky surface will do. Foil glue, oily rubber bonder I found works great. See how little it takes? I can even cover most of this nail. And it just adds a whole extra element to your nails. See, I have a little bit of cured gel. It had something got in there, I'm not sure. Could be the base coat. You can just buff that out. That's what I love about gels. You don't want to get your oily hands on there. I'm thinking to go a little bit more with the gold. Excuse me if I get out of frame. I am in a completely different location. These bottles now currently come in a 4-pack with a whole foil sheet. I've used this a ton and you can't tell there's anything missing out of here. It's packed full. I do mark my lids. I do love these bottles. So that's one layer of the manicure. Now I'm going to get out the plate that I showed in Monday's video and just grab a few images off of here. Right into the gel. I've never had any problem with it, so why not? What I used in the manicure that you saw, I'm trying to think, I believe was Beauty BigBang's Chameleon stamping polishes, 03 and 04. You can just go to beautybigbang.com. They'll be listed on the Chameleon, and I used the Born Pretty. This is their old collection, it's number 97. I'm just going to pull a few images for the background. Tend to be like a really clear image, translucent image. I believe I'm going to do this. You don't have to do the full image, you can do whatever you want. This is nail art, do whatever you want. Just a flick of the wrist. I'm setting my thumbnail for something different. There it goes. Now, again, I do like to clean my stampers off with a lint roller. Any brand will do, tape will do, whatever you like to do. I think I'm going to keep with the same color scheme in the background. These plates clean off like a dream. I was so scared to get them dirty the first time. They clean off like a dream, like a dream. So every time I take this out of frame, I'm cleaning it off on the lint roller. I was lucky enough to receive this NAILS Cuticle Liquid Latex. I'm going to give this a try right now. I've already felt it. It feels amazing. There's virtually no odor to it. I'm going to go ahead and use that around my cuticles just because I seem to be getting a little crazy with my stamping. Don't get it on your nail, of course. Should have did this before polishing. You don't want to get your nail oils onto your gel. Or do you want liquid latex on your gel? Let's go ahead and add some more. I rarely ever use liquid latex, but with winter weather starting to come in, my cuticles are dry. I haven't been using my oils like I should. This stuff, it feels cool when you apply it. It has a glass bottle, so beware of that. It's gorgeous. It dries very fast, so I can just get on with my manicure. Images. I will do a mixture of the two colors. I'm trying to keep my background similar this time. Just do a scrape of both. When they're this clear, you can do it any direction you want. Upside down, right side up. It really doesn't matter. And I can get two great pull pickups with just that one. This manicure will end, right? I'm going to get out some of my leaves from SheModern. I've got them in, this is the mixed art, the leaves. Number 4, solid. I've got a red, an orange, the green, the gold. They have them in matte gold, light green, every color out there. For the first time ever, I've pre-selected a few. And I've got them sandwiched between this mixing canvas. I'm going to try to flip them over. Because it's the backs that you want colored. The backs that you want water. Let's see how the NAILS peels real quick while those are drying. See how easy that peels off? I mean, look at that. I usually don't bother with liquid latex because it smells and it doesn't peel as great. Hats off to you, NAILS. I have taken off. They're not wet when I'm putting them onto the gel. Now I'll make sure they are completely dry before I top coat. You do not want to end up with a fungal infection or green fingers. Gel and water do not like to mix. Water is simply to take it off of the backing. You can let it dry right on your finger and then apply. I do take 99% alcohol and a nice stiff brush. If they're not bending quite enough, or you've got them over the edge, just take it and it will melt the entire foil up. Even in here, if they're overlapped, just melt it away. Add a few more of these. Always mark your bottles to be safe. You don't want unmarked bottles around your house. Everybody in my house knows, don't drink anything that's not labeled. If you have children, you'd want to keep the alcohol, acetone, mystery chemical bottles away from the children. May have to, nope, didn't have to. I'm gonna have to melt the end, but that's okay. You have to get all the water up if you're gonna put gel over it. Some people have forgotten that I have said that before. Sometimes I just do it and don't say it. Please don't go around with gel, water and gel mix. Especially if you're going to keep your gel polish on for a few days. You want no moisture under there whatsoever, so please be careful. Okay, here's the finished look. I'm saving this thumb for something else in a future video. But this is my 4-finger nail design. I'll put a picture up at the end of this video, as well as on the end screen will be a playlist of all the other YouTubers in this celebration of fall nail design. If you'd like to see what I always keep 3 of my favorite companies down below. SheModern, the Nail Candy Shop, and Creative Claws. I've got, yes, I'm sporting 2 different looks, actually 3. These are hollow circles from the Nail Candy Shop where I played with alcohol inks for my first time. If you'd like to see that as well, let me know and I will recreate this for you. So thanks for watching Nails of Interest. Till next time, you be you, I'll be me. Watch those other ladies' videos on the end screen. I'd appreciate it. Show your support. Have a great day, everyone. Enjoy your fall weather. And again, till next time, you be you, I'll be me. Bye-bye.